Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to do an unboxing of Sweetwater Decor box. And I saw my friend Rena, it's a huge box, unbox one of these. It's like a mystery box and I couldn't wait to get one. And I think this is a perfect box for Christmas, whether you want to keep some for yourself and you want to share some with friends. I think this would just make really amazing gifts. So this is one of the reasons I got it, because I love candles and things to decorate the house, and this is just looks like perfect gifting things, and I thought this would be something that I could share with friends and family for Christmas. So I haven't opened it yet. This came in yesterday. And I'm filming in my bedroom because my husband is painting. So this is really, really well packaged. It's a very heavy box. So I'm going to try to lift it up and show you. This is how it's packaged on the inside. And this is just the receipt. They have a really cute shop. This is a woman-owned business. And the candles are clean and everything is made in the USA. So I will link everything below. They are having a sale today, but it ends today, the 30% off, but it doesn't include the mystery boxes. So, wow, there's a lot of packaging in here. They also have a section where if things are imperfect, you can get those at a reduced price. But like I said, I will link everything below because they may even have more sales between now and Christmas. And if you order by December 13th, you will get your package in time for Christmas. Alright, so there's also some bubble wrap. So let's begin. So this is the first box. Let's see what's in it. It doesn't really give me any signs. The box doesn't give me any kind of a hint as to what could be in here. Oh, these are matches. Look how cute. Safety matches. This is really, really cute. And you can repurpose this as a glass when you're done with the matches. Just take the label off. That's really cute. This is a large box and this is supposed to have 12 items in it. And it's supposed to have a value of over $200. And I will list everything below as to the prices of the boxes and everything else. I'm going to try to get this up today. In case you see it today, when I try to go shopping, you will still get the sale. So here is what's inside this box right here. Looks like 3 candles. This one, this one is called Relax Girl. Oh, it smells really good. This smells like peppermint, maybe eucalyptus. Peppermint, cedar, clove, and eucalyptus. Oh, pretty good. This smells really, really good. Really, really nice. Then in the middle is driftwood mahogany. It's mahogany, lavender, teakwood, and geranium. Oh, this one smells really good too. This one smells like spa-like. And this one smells more like, I don't know, like a spring day. Smells really amazing. And then this one is Merry and Bright. It's hand-poured soy wax small batch. Made in the USA. Doesn't give me the notes on this one. Oh, this one smells good. It smells like Christmas. It smells like pine. It smells really good. Really, really good. I like the way that they really package it well. I feel weird filming here. It's almost like I'm out of sorts. Okay, here's another. This is called Warm and Cozy. This one is orange, cinnamon, clove, and pine. Oh, this smells amazing. This smells really, really good too, like Christmas. Oh. I can't tell you which one is the favorite because right now I'm loving all of them. That one smells really, really good. This is 11 ounce. I didn't tell you how big they were. I believe these are 9 ounces. Doesn't have it, but I believe this is 9. This would be 11 ounces. The driftwood mahogany. This one is also 9 ounces. The Merry and Bright. I love this one. This one does smell warm and cozy. Amazing. Okay, let's see what this is. It looks like a towel. Or it looks like, yeah, it's a towel. It feels very nice and soft. Really nice. I like it. It's very nice. And it feels very, very soft. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, this I ordered. This is something that I ordered. So I'm going to leave this for the end. These are 2 add-ons. I'm going to do that at the end. Sugar cookies. So this is, it looks like another towel that may have like a sugar cookie recipe. I believe that Rena got this with her box. And I thought it was pretty cool. So this is another hand towel. And it has, they're pretty nice and big. Also very soft. And it has a sugar cookie recipe, which I think that's pretty interesting. I'm going to try that, see how they come out. Wow, this is huge. Okay, this is a straw for what comes in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show the price of everything. The original price, and I figured it out, and each one of these items will be $8.25 what you pay for it. So this is humongous, and it has one of those lids that is spill proof, which is nice, and it is insulated, so you can use it for hot or cold. And I love to use something like this for water, the big ones, because that way it will last me a while. So this is nice, and I love the color. Very nice, very pretty. And I like the fact that they're clean candles, because I love the scents of Bath and Body Works, but they bother my husband whenever I burn them. It bothers his throat and his eyes. So it's nice to know that these are clean candles. So this one says Hello Fall. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And look how pretty the vessel is. I love the vessel. So pretty. I have not found one yet that I don't like the way it smells. It's going to be hard for me to give any of this away. You know that, don't you? And let me tell you, Rena sent me for my birthday a candle lamp that you don't actually light the candle. It has a bulb that actually melts the candle. Let me tell you, I love that. I think that the throw on the candles works so much better with those lamps. And you don't have to worry about a fire or if you forget to blow out your candle. Oh, this is another beautiful vessel. It says Hello Pumpkin. Oh my gosh, this smells like heaven. This smells so cozy and warm. This is amazing. These are so good. So this one is Hello Pumpkin. And it smells really, really good. Running out of room here. Decisions. Which one do I give away? Wow, her packaging is amazing. There will not be anything broken in here. Here's another one. Oh, I got 2 of the. Oh, well, you know what? Because one of them I purchased. And then the other one was in the box. So this one I purchased on sale. So I have 2 of the Hello Pumpkin. So I can give one of them away. Yes. So I'm going to put one of them back in the box. One. Thank you. I made that easy for myself. I love things like this. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? Nice, cozy smelling things. It's a candle care kit. It's very pretty. And this would be nice to give as a gift with a candle. So this is I don't know. I know this is to cut the wick. And this is to put your candle out if you don't want to blow it. I don't know what this is. Maybe to scrape the side? I have no idea. It looks like something a dentist would use in your mouth. If you know what that is, let me know. But this is, like I said, it would be nice to give in combination with a candle. Okay, and then the last thing in my box, it's not heavy, so it's not a candle. Oh, a mug. Oh, it's a pumpkin mug. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, I wish it would have been a Santa one, like a Christmas one. But this is really cute too. It's a pumpkin. But it's pretty. I like the white, the fact that it's white. It looks beautiful. So this is so, so pretty. So I definitely like that. I just wish it would have been like a little Christmas one, but that's fine. That's just me. So this is an amazing box. You cannot beat this for $8.25 each piece. So the extra things that I got is, I got one of those pumpkin, this one right here, the Hello Pumpkin. Oh, amazing. This was 30% off. And then I got this for my car. There's even bubble wrap on this thing. Okay, so this is called Hello Fall, and it's an air freshener. Oh, that's Hello Pumpkin. I was going to say, didn't I get one of these that is Hello Fall? Maybe not. Smells nice. So this is to hang in my car. And then this I got for my granddaughter. My 23-year-old granddaughter just graduated with her master's, and she is going to be a behavior therapist, or I can't remember exactly what her title is, but she's going to be like a psychologist kind of. And I thought this may be something that I could throw like a little extra in her Christmas gift. Look how pretty. It looks very professional. Feels like leather. I'm sure that it's not, you know, real leather, but this was on clearance also, and it's just for her to take notes. So I thought she would like this, and get her this and a really nice pen, and do it like an extra little Christmas gift. One of these candles is also going to be for her. I got her one of those candle warmer things, and one of these candles is going to go with her. I may give her the one that is not like this one, that is not holiday related. She doesn't start her new job till January, and I think this one is it will be soft enough that it would be nice in her office. And yeah, so this is for her. So anyway, guys, this was an amazing box. I love this, and I love the way that she packaged everything to make sure nothing is broken. And I think this will make amazing gifts. And how many gifts can you get out of this? Quite a few. And candles are pricey, so to be able to get quality clean candles for basically $8.25 a piece, you can't beat that. So I'm very happy with everything that I received. I thought it was an amazing box. There's nothing else in here. I thought this was an amazing box and a really good price. So I will list everything below in case you are interested. Again, the sale does end today, so I don't know if you'll be able to grab anything 30% off. But the mystery boxes are not included in the sale. She also has a lot of stuff on there that you can purchase, and the area where it shows the things may not be perfect, but they're really discounted, it would be a great deal. One of these candles, the Hello Fall, no, the pumpkin, one of the pumpkin ones, I thought it was supposed to be that I got it at that, in the area where it was like damaged, but I didn't see anything. Let me find it. I didn't see anything wrong with it. I think it's this one because it's got like a red dot. But let me see, let me take the little, maybe there's something wrong with it down here. You know, maybe it's not poured right. Okay, this one is, when you see it, it's when the way they poured it, like all the edges are against the vessel. And this one is like a little separated. So, oh my goodness, no big deal, right? Would anyone even notice that if you get a candle that the little edge is separated from the vessel? So this one was like discounted. But that's okay. I'll keep this one for me and give away the other one. So anyway, I totally would recommend this. Again, the name of the company is Sweetwater Decor. And everything will be listed below. And if I find any extra sales or anything, I will go ahead and also link that. And I will let you know what each item actually costs if you were to pay for it, you know, not included in the box. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.